Welcome to Data Decisions and Digital Life, hosted by the Excel Ethics crew. My name is Bruno.
And my name is Ignacio. In today's podcast, we will talk about the technology influence on daily lives, particularly through social media and AI and data privacy.
We will also discuss Microsoft Excel and how the abilities we learned this semester can benefit us in school, our personal lives, and our future employments.
One key takeaway from our technology chapter is that technology is more than just phones, computer, and apps. Technology is also about data. Every time someone searches in the internet, watches movies, like posts, shops, or use social media, they generate data.
Also, in this topic about technology topic discussion, companies can use this information to propose films, display advertisings, offer items, and determine what individuals are interested in. This can be useful, but also raises worry about privacy.
So, social media is a great example. Apps such as TikTok, Snapchat, Instagram, YouTube use algorithms to determine what users view. These algorithms can help consumers discover interviewing information, but they can also generate issues.
For example, social media can propagate disinformation, distract populace, and create filter bubbles in which people only see viewpoints with which they agree. It can also provide and have an impact on people's mental health and reputation.
Artificial intelligence has this power. AI can process vast amounts of data quickly. It can assist with tasks such as recommendations, online buying, fraud detection, writing support, and business decisions.
However, AI is not flawless. Sería no le Also, bueno, ya desde ahí, ¿no?
Desde flawless, de fraud. ¿No examen cuál era?
Arriba está.
Sí.
No pasa nada. However, artificial intelligence is not flawless if the data used by AI is skewed or incomplete. The outcomes may be prejudiced or unfair. This is why individuals must carefully consider how technology is employed.
So, in this chapter, we're gonna give some examples from the real world. One real world example is student learning. Students can use AI tools to study, organize notes, discuss ideas, and understand thought concepts. However, pupils must think them for themselves and ensure that the material is correct.
Another example is that labor market, many businesses today utilize technology to screen job applicants, manage employee schedules, track sales, and analyze customer behavior.
So that's the means that the future employees will need digital abilities. Simply knowing how to use a phone or computer is not insufficient. People must grasp how data works and how technology influences in our decisions.
Social media has an impact on an individual's digital footprint. What we put online may be seen by classmates, professors, employees, and others in the future.
So the important takeaway is that while technology provides numerous benefits, we must also accept responsibilities. We must protect our privacy properly, review information, and use technology in a sensible and ethical manner.
Now we're going to discuss about Microsoft Excel segment. This relates to what we learn about Microsoft Excel this semester. Excel is used useful because it allows to organize data and convert numbers into meaningful information.
So we learned how to enter data, format spreadsheets, use formulas, sort and filter data, create charts, and use functions such as sum, average, mean, max, and if.
Excel might be useful in personal life. Students, for example, can use Excel to create monthly budgets, manage spending, compute grades, compare pricings, and plan for future savings.
Instead of guessing, Excels allow individual to make judgment based on actual numbers. For example, if someone wishes to save money, they can enter their income and spending into Excel and see where their money is going.
Excel is also useful in professional settings. Excel can be used to manage personal scheduling, inventories, and corporate performance.
So Excel is also useful for organizing in marketing. So for example, advertising results and sales statistics, engagement, social media, customer information.
Excel is used extensively in accounting and finance to create budgets, financial supports, reports, profit calculation, and anticipate future spending or income.
So Excel is useful in other information like system careers, since employees frequently work with data from database and corporate systems. They can clean and organize data, generate charts, and explain trends to managers.
An excellent example is a corporation that monitors social media ads. Excel could indicate how many people clicked on that ad, how much money was spent, and whether the ad helped the company to get new clients.
That's why Excel is more than just a spreadsheet application. It's a tool for problem solving, planning, and making informed decisions.
Overall, technology influences the way we learn, communicate, work, and we make decisions. Social media and artificial intelligence can be extremely useful, but they also raise serious concerns about privacy, justice, and responsibility.
Excel ties to this because it teaches us how to organize data. Excel may help us grasp information better, whether we are managing money, preparing for a profession, or evaluation, or a company or data.
Thank you for listening to Data Decisions and Digital Life.
This has been the Excel Ethics crew, and that's all.
And I'm Bruno. Thanks for your listening.